Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This is going to be from mid-month of the June till the mid-month of the July for the Capricorn, sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take a look at your past, present and future situation. I'm going to clarify some cards for you and end the reading with pulling some advice for you. So Capricorn. In the past situation, we have the Seven of Swords, the Five of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. In the present, we have the Ace of Swords, the Five of Wands, the Queen of Wands. In the future, we have the Page of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. The challenge for the week is the Star. The challenge for the week has a lot to do with your hopes, your desires. Don't give up, okay? There might be things wrong in the present situation. We don't know what is going to happen in the future. We don't know what are we going to get with, we don't know what the changes are coming your way in your life. There may be big changes which is going to come, which will all of a sudden from drastically changes. Things may change and you might get what you desire. So don't lose the hope. Keep working on it. Keep constantly putting some effort towards your hope. That's a challenge for the week. There will be positive results for you, okay? In the recent past, there was someone who was being on and off into your life. This could be your ex, who was like coming back into your life, being happy and finally leaving you and behind and moving somewhere else. This person was kind of being on and off. This person was creating a lot of changes in your life. This was creating so much changes, okay? We're going to clarify it. In the present, we have the Ace of Swords. In order to get some clarity in your life, in your relationship, many of you are fighting with this person. This could be an fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be fighting with this person in order to get some clarity. We're going to clarify it in a moment. In the future, we have the Page of Cups. There's a chance of new love, someone offering you new love in the future. This person has a lot to do with your happiness. This person, there's a chance of this person bringing a lot of happiness. This could be an water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and this could be an earth sign. This person, whoever it is, they're moving very slowly into you. Okay, you're kind of accepting an offer of this new person who is coming your way in the future. Okay, because you too need happiness. Maybe you're hoping for it. That's a challenge for the week. We're gonna clarify the challenge for the week. What is that? You didn't lose the hope. You have been constantly working on something. This could be you working in a relationship. We're gonna clarify it in a moment. Okay, the Star is clarified by the Two of Cups, the Strength, the Emperor. Okay, many of you you're hoping for a best connection, or you're hoping for someone coming back into your life, bringing some stability. You want some stability with this person. You want some strength, okay? You want some mental strength. This is what this person is going to get. So you're hoping for this person to come back. If this person is not into your life, you might be hoping for it. You might get an opportunity for it. So don't lose the hopes. You might get an opportunity to bring back this person into your life. Keep working on it, working towards what you want. That's a challenge for the week. We're going to clarify the Seven of Swords. In the recent past, someone being on and off into your life, that has to deal something with your loss, something with your past. Okay, we're going to clarify the Seven of Swords for you. Oh. The Seven of Swords is clarified by the Five of Wands. There is a Seven of Swords again, Three of Wands. This person, whoever it is, they have some different plan, I'm getting. They are kind of they want to have some conflict with you all the time. Okay, they are creating this conflict energy in the past. They used to create, they have been on and off. They have some different, you're thinking, they're thinking. I feel it doesn't match with them. They have something else only in their mind. They don't know, like they know it very clearly. They are being on and off for some purpose, in order to create some conflict in your life. This person has something to do with your past. I'm going to clarify the Five of Cups. Okay. Five of Cups is clarified by the Queen of Cups. Okay, there is Knight of Pentacles. There is Ten of Wands. Okay. You guys were in relationship where you used to put there, it was like a burden for many of you. Okay, this person, though it has a lot of emotion, though this person was giving you a lot of emotional strength. This could be you dealing with a water sign. I'm getting strong water sign here. You tried slowly to go away from this person in the recent past, because you found this relationship was giving you a lot of burden. I can already see that the person is kind of giving you a lot of irritation. Okay, this situation led to a major changing in the recent past, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Ace of Cups. There is one more card for you. Okay, everything to do with the future. The past, whatever happening, is impacting in the future, because I'm getting the repeated card, the Eight of Cups. In order to get into some new connection, new love, interest, in order to be happy with this person, many of you are leaving behind the burden relationship and actually moved on in the recent past. There was a major change happened between you and this person. You just disconnected in order to get into some new connection. You're getting some clarity in the present moment about something, about the fight which you had been doing in the past. You finally got some clarity in it. I'm going to clarify the Ace of Swords for you. The clarity you're getting in the present moment. Okay, the Knight of Cups. Ace of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Cups, by the Two of Pentacles, by the Ace of Wands. You don't know whether to start a relationship with this person or whether to end it, because there's a new love which is coming your way in the present situation. You don't know what to do with this. You're like juggling. Okay, many of you are going to give it a fresh start in the present situation. You're coming to some clarity in the present situation and finally ending up being juggling in the moment and giving it a fresh start, giving that love a fresh start. You're starting something new here in the present situation. There is some conflict going on in the present moment that could be related to your past situation. We're going to clarify the Five of Wands. I'm going to just keep it. Five of Wands is clarified by the Empress, the Page of Cups, the Six of Wands. You really want to give this new love which is coming your way, give it a new chance, new opportunity, because you see a lot of growth with this person. You're having a lot of growth in the present moment with this person. Finally, you want to have that success in your life, the happiness in your life which this person is bringing you. You're fighting for this person in the present moment. Because of this person, because of your happiness, because of your growth, you're fighting. Okay, whoever it is, you're being strong. This person is making you so strong. I'm going to clarify the Queen of Wands. This could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius for many of you. This person is giving you a lot of happiness in the present moment. I'm going to clarify. Okay, the Queen of Wands is clarified by the Hierophant, the Five of Swords, the High Priestess. This Queen of Wands is someone whom you feel you want to be in relationship with, whom you want to have some committed relationship with. But still, I feel there is some arguments going on between you and this person too in the present moment, because someone is not opening up. I feel this is you. Though you want a new connection, new relationship to start in the present moment, I feel you being silent. So when you get an opportunity, when you get a stable connection, that's a challenge for the week. Just grab the opportunity and let it flow. You might get someone who is stable, someone who is stable in relationship, right? You're not opening up, so that's why I feel there is some conflict going on between you and this present person also. In the future, I feel there is some new love coming your way. There is something regarding this new love. I'm going to clarify the Page of Cups. For many of you, you are taking some action towards this new love with the Knight of Pentacles. You're slowly moving, okay, slowly moving towards this person. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. Something related to present moment. I feel this person, whoever coming in the future, is already present in the present moment, but the relationship haven't been started in the present moment yet. This person is again appearing in the future. I see you guys are working together towards the situation. You really want this queen into your life or king into your life. I see you're working towards this new love very slowly, constantly, because this is giving you a lot of happiness in return. Okay, it is very clear, reading for Capricorn people I had. So I'm going to pull some advice for you, Capricorn people. I see finally something is working out here. Finally you might get a potential partner into life. That is what the challenge is all about. Don't lose the hope. You will get it. So the advice here I have for you is, it's time to release the negativity. Whatever you're thinking in your mind, it is all happening in your mind. You might end hoping for some positivity because you think there is no chance of you getting some happiness, getting the potential connection. Just don't keep the negativity in your mind. Just release it. Okay, you're getting opportunity to bring all those positivity, all those which you desire into your life. So that is all I have for the Capricorn people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.